This is Jenny Joe with jennyclairvoyant.com and alignyourlight.com. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a new light code that just came through that is sort of the next generation for it's from the Pleiadian Beings. They have been sharing these COVID protocols for healing ever since the beginning, ever since COVID hit. And so there have been a couple things like, let me see here. Whoop. This one right here came through in 2020, right sort of at the beginning of the whole thing. And this was the original code for how to deactivate and remove coronavirus. And then people are still getting sick though. Even people that have been immunized are getting really sick. And I just had a client recently who has had COVID now twice, and so during that session, this incredible new version of the protocol came through. So I thought that I would share that with you. So what you can do is use, you can just gaze on the sigil here, and it came through directly from the Pleiadian beings. They're very interested in us, and they are gentle caregivers. They're interested in the human race. And so anyway, this one came through in order to work with the mutations, the more recent mutations of the coronavirus, and in particular to help with the deactivation of the lasting effects of extreme fatigue and some of the other sort of nervous system issues that have come up for long haulers and people who've had lasting damaging effects from the coronavirus. And it's not just the virus itself, but it's how the body reacts to it. So it's really pretty complicated the way that this virus works. It's really kind of not like anything that we've seen before. So anyway, this one is for extracting the viral die-off. So when we have a viral load in the body and then it dies off, our immune system kicks in and then it dies off, there's like this toxicity that can cause problems from the die-off itself, if the body's not able to flush it through. So I'm seeing like lymph gland clogging and all kinds of stuff. I'm a medical intuitive, so I can see inside the body. So anyway, if you are experiencing lasting effects from coronavirus or anything else that you need medical intuitive help with, I'm available for that. There's a link in the description. So this is for removing, extracting, containing the effects and deactivating the toxins. So, and also I was really working on lymphatic drainage and a bunch of other stuff in the session, but this is the code that came through for it. So while you are gazing at this code, just allow yourself to bring it in as a template for your body, your energy body. And this code will actually help, like if you, well, they say it's not a matter of if, but when. I still haven't had COVID yet. I'm so grateful. But definitely this sigil will, if you invite it into your energy body, then your energy body will recognize this sigil as a healing template for how to pass the mutations of this virus, the coronavirus, out of your body faster so that you have less viral load, less die-off, and less symptoms. It's similar to how Reiki works. Reiki has certain sigils that are used, and they increase the power and activate the self-healing intelligence in the body. And so this is just another sigil similar to that activates when the sigil recognizes the coronavirus, the coronavirus energy in the body. Okay, so the way that you bring that in and ask your immune system and your energy body to recognize and utilize this sigil is you can bring it in with your heart chakra, hand on your heart chakra, breathe it in to your energy meridians. Just the template of it. We're just breathing in the template, and it's a piece that your body, it's just an extra thing that your body can use to recognize and fight off the mutations of the virus. Okay, very good. And just breathe it in. 3 deep breaths in, allowing it to move through your energy meridians, and also have your subconscious or your healing intelligence awareness recognize this sigil as an additional way to relieve the symptoms of coronavirus mutations in the body. Very good. Okay, excellent. And if there's anything that you need help with, I am available. You can click on either of those links, either if you need a 30-minute consultation just to talk about what's going on in your life and see if I'm the right person to help you, or if you want to go ahead and schedule a 60-minute healing session, medical intuitive healing session. I always open the Akashic records as well, so we get access to your past lives. If that's what's causing anything, I can see energy cord attachments. Yeah, it's no questions are off limits. And yeah, so anyway, that is your invitation. I'm going to go ahead and put this up right here underneath the original light code for immunity support from the Pleiadian beings, and great gratitude to all of the Pleiadians for assisting us with our continued good health and awakening. All right. Have a super great day, everybody. Bye.